Hey, it's Eric Powell, the Future Mill. I want to talk to you about what a Roth IRA is. Let's go over the basics and stay till the end because I'm going to explain probably what I would think is the coolest part of the Roth IRA and the last tip. So I've got 5 different tips for you. Let's dive right in. Number 1, a Roth IRA is nothing more than a title. Think of this like a vehicle. So if you have a Tesla car, it is the title of the car. Now, what makes that car operate is the batteries, the motor, all of the different parts in that. That's the same with a Roth IRA. So what makes the Roth IRA grow are the investments inside, whether that's stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, bonds. That is what it is. I've heard so many people say, hey, yeah, I want to invest in a Roth IRA, but you're actually just opening the IRA, you're investing in different funds within that account. Number 2, this is after tax money. So let's say that you made $100,000 this year. You do not get a deduction like you would with a traditional IRA to invest in the Roth IRA. This money is after tax. So whatever your income is, you are going to put that in and you are still going to have to pay taxes on the money you are putting into the Roth IRA. Number 3, you can put up to $6,000 in the Roth IRA for 2021. Now, if you are over 50 years old, you can actually do a catch-up contribution. You can put an additional $1,000 in, so you can put a total of $7,000 in, only if you are over 50. If you are under 50, remember, it is only $6,000. Number 4, it is tax-free growth. I love this part of the Roth IRA. It is the coolest part, well, second coolest. I'll tell you the coolest in just a minute. But the tax-free growth is great because what ends up happening is when you put the money in, you have to pay taxes. But everything that grows from there in your investments, all of that compound interest is tax-free when you go to withdraw it at 59 and a half years old. So when you go to withdraw your money, let's just say that you started investing at age 25 and you invested until age 63 years old. So that's 38 years, and you put $500 in a month and you maxed out your Roth IRA of $6,000 each year. You would have over $1 million all tax-free. You do not have to pay the government on this money. It is tax-free. That's an awesome part of the Roth IRA. Number 5, this is probably the coolest thing about it. Now, I never would recommend you withdrawing money out of a retirement account. This is long-term money. You should be putting it in the Roth for the long term. But it is nice to know that any money that you have already paid taxes on and put into the account, so your money that you put in is your money. If you needed to, you can take the money out of the Roth IRA that you put into the account. That's one of the coolest parts about it. Again, I would never say to actually do that. If you've stayed this far, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe. If you want to open a Roth IRA, there are multiple places to do it, but I would love for you to go to thefuturemill.com, click Get Started. If you're looking for a personal advisor and somebody to professionally manage your account for you, select your subscription. We have a few different options for you, or if you don't know, book a call. We're here to talk to you. Thank you for watching.